What's up guys, it's Susie Bullock from HeyGirlHey.com and I am back with another amazing recipe for you. Today we are talking smoked mashed potatoes. It's the ultimate comfort food right on your smoker. Let's do it. For our mashed potatoes, we're starting with 5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. These are not the same as russet potatoes. These have a smooth, buttery interior with a nice golden color, and they are perfect for mashed potatoes. Russets tend to get a little bit watery and they tend to get a little bit gummy when you mix them up. Yukon Golds are the perfect mashed potatoes. Like I said, we're doing 5 pounds, which is definitely more than you need for like a small dinner. However, we like mashed potatoes, so we're doing a big batch. If you want to make a smaller batch, you can cut all of these quantities in half. So 5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, and we are going to boil those until they're perfectly fork tender. Put them into a nice big bowl, and here's where my magic trick comes into play. I actually use electric beaters to whip these mashed potatoes and get them to the perfect consistency. To my whipped mashed potatoes, I'm going to add 8 tablespoons of softened butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and a half a cup of milk, or if you're feeling indulgent, you can do heavy whipping cream. Make sure that's all combined. They'll be super fluffy, and then stir in at least a teaspoon of salt. You may want to taste test that and add more as needed, especially if you use salted versus unsalted butter. So make sure you taste test, get the salt in there as you need to, and then we're gonna spread these potatoes out in a 12-inch cast iron skillet. Now, these potatoes might seem a little bit loose. That's kind of what we want. We want them to be really soft and fluffy because these are going out to the smoker. 225 degrees, and this is where you kind of get to have some fun and experiment with flavors. You can use any variety of wood that you like. I like to go with something that is pretty subtle on these mashed potatoes because they do take on quite a bit of smoke. I think a pecan or an alder is a great choice for these mashed potatoes. They're heading out to the smoker, and we're gonna leave them out there for 1 hour to pick up as much beautiful, lovely smoke as we want them to. Once they're finished smoking, bring them inside and they are absolutely ready to serve.